Okay, so we're just gonna walk around in Hanoi, and I'll tell you one thing, it's I almost got hit by a scooter already. It's pretty chaotic.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha, chiquinha.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk around in Hanoi, and I'll tell you one thing, it's I almost got hit by a scooter already. It's pretty chaotic. So we're just gonna see what we can see. I have this camera right next to my heart strapped in because there's so many scooters and a lot of robberies as well. So we're just gonna check everything out. We're walking towards the lake right now. I haven't been here in 15 years. I was here twice, and once in 2000, once in 2002. Nope. So yeah, basically you have to you kind of walk in traffic quite a bit. And yeah, actually years ago when I was here, I just remember all the chaos of this, and I can see how people could steal pretty easily. Because basically you're right in the street, and everybody has a scooter, so they can take it. Yeah, the scooters are kind of all over the place too, so yeah, it's kind of open game. Anyways, we're in the lake. I haven't been in the lake in a long time. Looks like this street's cut off for traffic, so you can walk around here a little easier. Okay. So yeah, when I'm in other cities, I can relax a little bit more with the camera, but I'm not so sure. I've preferred to. Nope. But this one, you kind of got a lot of people coming at you all the time, so you'll have to. Yeah, people are following and giving a lot of attention. All right. All right. I like those traditional clothing. It's really cool. Yeah, I don't know. Is this some kind of wedding, I guess? I'm also trying to keep my videos so they're not so long, but this is my introduction into Hanoi, and we're basically walking towards a church, I guess. See what this is. Desserts. Okay. So we're just going to check out some of this stuff. I'm just going to go up to the walk the lake, and then I'm going to conclude it. But there's a lot more I can say, but I haven't been in Hanoi in 15 years. It's feels like a different city. I do remember the lake. I don't remember anywhere near as many people as this. So we're just gonna walk up here, and then I'll conclude. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my camera close to me because the way people come at you in the streets. I think we're gonna walk over this bridge in a minute, but I'm just gonna conclude at this lake.
Chiquinha.